Yeah, today we're going to be doing something a little bit different here. We're going to be fixing this air fryer basket that came with our Instant Pot, because this insert, you can't grab it if you have something on top. How do you get that out of there without trying to use a knife or poke something in the hole or a fork? So we're going to try to do something different, and we're going to make two little handles on here, and I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing we're going to need to do is take out our insert and find out if our 1/4 by 20 by 2 inch socket head cap screws will actually fit in the hole. And they will screw into any one of these holes, and then you can make like a little handle out of it. See? But I think I'm going to drill a hole out a little bit bigger. So let's get that done. I think we're one there and maybe one over here. Now I marked the spots right here, so let's drill them. Here, do the other one. Okay. Let's see how they fit. Yeah, pretty good. Okay. Yeah, you can double nut these. You can put a nut on the top, one on the bottom, and then tighten it up, and that'll make a good handle. But I put a sleeve on mine, and I'll show you how I did that. Okay, to make our sleeve, we got to put our nut on till it just about sticks out the bolt, and then we measure. Looks like we need about 1 3/4 inch sleeve. We need about 1 3/4 inch sleeve. To make our sleeve, I'm using this old broken arrow. Yeah, it just happens to be the same size as my bolt. So we'll just cut a piece off, and that'll be our sleeve. And it is aluminum and good stuff too. Yeah, to make our sleeve, we're just going to make a mark, and then we're going to cut it using a tubing cutter. Yeah, we'll slide our tubing cutter down to the mark, and we'll tighten it up, and we'll start cutting it. Makes a nice clean cut too. And there you go. Nice. Let's see if it fits our bolt. Perfect. Okay, now let's just assemble this and see how they look. Alright, let's put it together here. We put our sleeve on our bolt and screw this in the hole. And now we can put our nuts on the back side if we want. Alright, and now we got to do the other one. Put the sleeve on. And screw it in the hole. And let's just flip this one over and put our nut on. And we'll tighten this nut a little bit, and then all we have to do is tighten it up. And we can use an Allen wrench for that. There we go. And we'll do the other one. And there you go. And now there you got nice handles on our Instant Pot insert. And you won't get burned because you can just pick them out with a pot holder or some kind of grabber. But I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, now let's say you're cooking something in the bottom here, like potatoes or whatever, and you have this insert on the top. You can just use your handles to pick it in and out with, especially if you have something in the middle where you can't grab it. I don't know why they don't make little handles for that, but it makes it so much easier to get out. And there you have it. Yep, a quick and easy fix. Put handles on your insert for your air fryer basket. Works really good. I like them. Well friends, that's it for this one. More info is in the description. And just remember, if I can do it, you can do it. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.